and welcome back to the channel. It feels so weird vlogging in the middle of the week because I'm so used to vlogging only on Sundays. But anyway, it is a school day and the boys are in school. That is the time. I just finished cleaning up this kitchen because it was an eyesore. Guys, this is what my space is looking like right now. I'm also trying to prepare for tonight's dinner. And I went shopping a couple of days ago and I got some jacket potatoes and some onions, and I remember that I have one mince. I've also brought out this mince, so I'm going to be making some chili sauce later on. For breakfast, I'm defrosting some fish here. I have some yam, the leftover from packed lunch, and yeah, I just finished doing the dishes. I'm letting them dry before I get them out. And today is very significant because I'm going outside to harvest my peppers. So this is everything that I'm able to plant this season. Honestly, this is not encouraging, and I do not think that I will be planting next season because this was quite frustrating and a waste of time and effort, if I'm being honest. Anyway, let's go. I have my basket here and my scissors to help me harvest. Let's go out and get some peppers. Apparently, the only things that are growing are the things that I was able to buy from the stores. I forgot the key to the door. Sadly, this is all that I'm able to get this year. Some of them have even started drying because I don't know. Well, this is what we're working with. Some of them are falling off the plant, like these ones. I put them beside my burner, and my neighbor's tomato is literally growing into my compound over there. Anyway, as for my iridu and efo, guys, 3 months, and this is all I'm able to see. This is This is so disappointing. The ewedu did not even do well at all. Like, there's hardly anything to see. Hardly. 3 months. What a waste. Anyway, let's get what we can. To say that I'm disappointed is such an understatement, because when I envisaged planting this season, I was filled with so much high hopes and expectations for this planting season, because I attend so many videos on Instagram, some even on YouTube, of how people were able to grow some things, and my colleague at work was even able to show me some of the things that she was able to grow. So when this is the result of 3 months of hard labor, I really don't know what to say, you guys. Will I be doing this again next year? I really don't know. What is looking highly unlikely, because at least it's better than nothing. Anyway, let's go inside. Just a quick backstory for those who didn't watch me when I started this garden behind my house. These are the plants I bought from Asda. These are not plants that I grew from scratch or from seedling. I planted some, but they didn't grow at all. So if not because I bought these ones, I won't have anything to show for my 3 months. My bountiful harvests. This is it. Emails. I don't know about you guys, but one app I cannot do without are my emails. Like the joy I receive every time I receive an email. My bountiful harvest. I will definitely be using some of this for my chili later tonight, so yeah, stick around for that. So I got a couple of different kinds of peppers. I have this one that's more or less like a sweet pepper. I also have this one that is a mild sweet chili, and then I have this really tiny one that is supposed to be hot, but I don't know if it will be hot. I don't know if it will be spicy at all, but yeah. I had long peppers, but they kept falling off the thing. and these are the only ones I was able to salvage. So this is literally everything that I'm able to harvest this year. No vegetables at all. So that's £30 for the soil down the drain. My grow bags, I don't even know if I want to, I just want to go and throw everything away. I don't know if I want to go through this again next year, or if I just want to concentrate on peppers next year. I don't know. I will decide later. But anyway, you guys, I want to go upstairs and freshen up. I have a couple of content ideas that I want to film today. I have a couple that I've filmed yesterday. I want to go ahead and edit them today. But first, I want to make my fish sauce, have my breakfast. Then I'm going to go upstairs and get ready for the day. Alright, you guys, I will chat to you later.
This is my only meal of the day, and I usually like to eat it around this time of the day. However, it's not reflecting my weight, because even though I'm only eating one major meal in a day, I'm still not seeing the result I want. I don't know why, and I know why. It's because I haven't included exercise into my routine, and I'm not serious enough or disciplined enough to stick to an exercise routine. I try my best to do it once in a while, but I'm not as dedicated as I should be. Anyway, to make my pepper mix, I am going ahead to add some bell peppers and some spicy chili peppers into this Koha's vegetable slicer here. I'm also going to go ahead and add some of my minced garlic and onion into my frying pan with the fish. I've turned the heat on for that, and so I'm just going to stir that till it dissolves. It makes cooking so easy because I don't have to mince fresh garlic or chop up any onions. It just takes that prep away from my cooking process. So those of you who watched me prep a whole bunch of onions from Costco and garlic from Costco, this is how I've been utilizing it so far. Anyway, fish sauce is all done. I just let it reduce and let all of the juices from the fish and the peppers dry up, and fried it really dry. That's how I kind of like it. So this is what I'm having with my yam sauce, yam and fish sauce. I'm having some hot chocolates. I'm just going to go ahead and add a pinch of salt. I always like to add salt to my hot chocolate because it makes it taste extra nice. My mom used to do this for me growing up, and it's just something I've carried on doing ever since I was independent. Anyway, a little milk just to make everything a little more creamy, and this was lunch for this day. On to more exciting news. I got this package from CNBLCG, and this is a bag company or a luxury brand that deals with a lot of luxury brands that you see and love. They've sent me this Prada shoes that comes with a the box. It comes with a dust bag as well. Came really neatly packed, and I absolutely love these shoes. I went on their website and I saw these shoes and I just had to get it. They have such an amazing collection of bags, shoes, jewelry. It is such a loaded website. You should go on there and check it. The link to these products will be in the description box. You can also find them on TikTok as well. The list of all the details to their brand and what they stand for is all in the description box. Please go ahead and check that out. And this is what the shoe is looking like. The fit is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to rock these. Thank you again to CNBLCG for sponsoring this segment of the video. I absolutely love my shoes. I cannot wait to rock them. They are warm and they are great for the weather that we are approaching. All right, now moving on to the next couple of days. It was a Sunday and I'm wearing this lovely dress I got from Elenska. This is a Shein marketplace brand. I got this dress a couple of collaborations a while ago. The bag I absolutely love is my Fendi first. I love the bag so much, and I paired what I'm wearing with some gold accessories, and I'm wearing a black sandal because that's what I felt comfortable in. Anyway, just making some hot tea here, and then I'm going to get all of my meat out just for my Sunday ritual, which is to meal prep. This is something that I cannot do without in a single week. It just makes my life easy for the rest of the week. It's a sacrifice I pay every single Sunday, and this is just me getting out some fish, chicken, and eggplant, boiled eggplants. Went to church, and on our way back we stopped at Tesco. I picked up a few bits for the boys, packed lunch, and I also got some things to cook with for our weekly meals. And then I just carried everything in my hand, made my way back to the car, and then we drove home. As soon as I got home, ladies, the first thing I did was to go and look for one quick fix, something to eat really quickly, because I needed to get my energy up. I'm kind of one of those people that do not like to eat on a Sunday morning. I eat much later in the day. Anyway, it's that weather now. I have to put on this my onesie because it's so cold now. I know that we're approaching that weather that, you know, everyone is gonna be really dressing really warm because the weather is just really cold. And you know, just trying to prolong, you know, how we put on our heating and everything, saving costs and all that. I have to psych myself up every time before I go downstairs. I have to go with my stand, my phone stand, and this is where I put my tablet on, just so I have company while I cook. On this particular day, I made eggplant sauce. I also fried up some yam for dinner, which I didn't have because it was too late for me to eat. I roasted some fish, I grilled some chicken, I made some chicken stew, I also made pasta, white rice, and I am currently boiling some beans, and that's just going to go for a packed lunch and also some after school dinner and things like that. Anyway, this is all I had power and strength for this week. I will see you in the next one. Bye.